Welcome back learners. In this video module, we are going to understand the next concept of the course supply chain management is value chain and value delivery system. So students, in previous lecture we understand the course objective, features, scope of supply chain management. In today's video session, we have to very clear with the value chain system of supply chain management. So value chain consists of or value chain includes all activities to design, produce, market, deliver and support the product and services. The value chain is concentrating on the activities starting with the raw materials till the conversion into final goods or services. So friends, in this two line we understand that value chain is nothing but the part of the product where it is start from the process from raw material to the finished goods and from finished goods to the end consumer. The activity continuously have a process of improvement which will include the designing, production, marketing, delivery system, support system. It is under the value chain system and every company always focus on to improve their value chain in market. In a very simple way, we have to understand that this value chain and value delivery system is in the favor of customer or consumer, right? Because the customer is the part of the market with the quality connectivity of the customer. When the customer perception with your company or the brand is get bonded, the customer having long-term relationship with your connectivity of the manufacturing product, then the part of value chain is not only the part of market but is focusing or it continuously improving or concentrating on the activities starting with the raw material up to the end consumer. So it will involve all the connectivity of the production, the sales, the connectivity of distribution, the connectivity of sales. So it is all about the value chain. To the next one, there are two categories of activities in value chain. The first one is primary activities which holds operation, distribution, sales and support activities which involve research and development and human resources. So normally the term value chain means at each stage of the order to delivery system value is added to the product or service. So it is a continuous improvement cycle. In other words, we can say it. So we have to understand the value chain system with their activities. So moving forward, we have to understand the primary activities of value chain. In that very first element is there inbound logistics, which involve concern with the receiving, storing, distributing inputs. Example, handling of raw materials, warehousing, inventory control. So in a very simple way, we just conclude the meaning of this line is that timely provide or timely concentrate about the raw material for the proper final finished goods. So it will include all these elements. So time management is very important in inbound logistics. To the next one is operation, compromise the transformation of the inputs into the final product form. Example, प्रोडक्शन, असेंबली एंड पैकेजिंग. इसको भी अगर हम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझे कि अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट कनेक्टिविटी है, हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं मैगी का. इफ मैगी इज नॉट ओनली द सिंगल प्रोडक्शन which involves the packaging, the quality control, then the final assembly and the distribution. So it includes all these activity in operation. Then the next one is outbound logistics. So as related to inbound, the timely provide a raw material for the finished goods. In the same way, involve the collecting, storing, distributing the product to the buyers. Example, processing of orders, warehousing of finished goods and delivery. तो इनपुट में अगर टाइमली हमें रॉ मटेरियल प्रॉपर प्रोवाइड करना है तो आउटबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक में हमें प्रॉपर टाइम विद प्रॉपर प्लेस विद प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट उस फिनिश गुड्स को डिलीवर भी करना है. So it is all about outbound logistics, which will help you by taking the help to deliver the product on time with distributor, wholesaler, retailer and finally up to the customer. So it is all about the primary activities of supply chain or value chain or in value delivery system. Then the next one is support activities which involve the four important topic or four important elements. First one is firm infrastructure. The activities such as organization structure, control system, company culture are categorized under the firm infrastructure. Obviously, so students see supply chain management or value chain is not only the part of this the topic, but we also focus on the support activities which involves to increase the value delivery system. The very first one is the firm infrastructure. So in that activities, organization culture is very important. How the organization storing area is there. Some of the products are in the cold format. Many of the production like cold drinks, like Coca-Cola, some of the fruit juice, they required a quality control system, quality structure, quality warehousing, and the culture of the company plays a support activity for value chain. Right? Then the next one is human resource management, which is again the main part of the support activities, which involve recruitment, hiring, training, development, and compensation. So every organization or every company who want to create their value chain system have to focus on the HRM. Many of the time, the third party logistics there who provide some of the compensation with the delivery system, which is under the human resource management. And training and development procedure regarding supply chain management and value added services are always focused on continuous development of value delivery system. Then the next one is technology development. See, in a very previous video module, we understand that nowadays information technology plays a vital role to clearly, strongly develop logistic and supply chain management. In that, the activities which are intended to improve the product and the processes can occur in many parts of the firm. Nowadays, rapidly focus on software like SAP, software like logistic management, software like supply chain management, which will help you to directly connect all the departments of the firm in a single server computer with a proper management where your company contains accounting area, recruitment area, then your warehouse, storekeeping, storehousing, then the production area, assembly area, packaging area, labeling area, barcoding area. All these activities perform under the one roof in information technology by using computers and the internet activity. So it also a support activity to increase your value chain delivery system. And then procurement concerned with the tasks of purchasing inputs such as raw material, equipment, and even labor. So the concept of support activities which help you increase the value of the system, value delivery of the system, and maintaining the strong relation from the raw material provider, supply up to end consumer. So it is all about the customer satisfaction, customer integration, value integration, which will help you to increase the brand of the company in the market. So this is all about value chain and value delivery system. In next element of this course, we will continue with the next part of this course. Up to then, thank you.